ALVABABY CS Cloth Diaper Wet Dry Bags Waterproof by ALVABABY is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper wet bags products. Fashion and stylish, reusable and waterproof, high quality, a trim and attractive design. ALVABABY Wet Dry Bag are made from waterproof 100% polyester. Put dirty cloth diapers in a wet bag. Comes with handle for easy carrying or attaching to your diaper bag or stroller. Double zippered, 2 zippered compartments for keep wet and dry things separate. Each bag contains a wet section that is sewn and sealed for no wicking or leaking. Enough space 30 cm by 36 cm, approx. 11.5 in by 14 in, holds approximately 5 to 7 cloth diapers. Lightweight, easy to carry, less than 50 grams. Multifunctional bags, a truly wonderful bag that allows you to carry your wet and dry items in the same bag. Carry all your items in one bag while keeping your dry items dry and your wet or soiled items separate. Truly an all-in-one bag. They can be used as diaper wet dry bags, travel bags, storage bags, cosmetic bags, handbags, wash bags, organizer bags. Sincere service and no risk 1-year guarantee. If you have any problem with the product, please feel free to contact us. We'll send you a new one or refund your money of your choice.